Okay guys, good night, and now we are going to continue our lessons of geometry. Now we are going to find the area of the shaded area, the shaded picture. And from this picture, let's say we make it into three parts. Let's say this is part A, this one is part A, this one is part B, and this one is part C. And later we will find the area or the total area. It will be the area of A plus B and C. So now we have to find the area of each part. Let's say we start from area A, and we know that from this picture area A is a half of circle. Let's say the area of A is the area of half of a circle. And we know that the diameter of the circle is 5, right? Let's say the diameter of the circle A is 5, so the radius of the circle will be half of 5. So 5 over 2, it will be 2.5. Let's say the units, all of the unit of this picture is meter. So after we know the radius, so we know that the area of A, it will be pi times the square of the radius times half, right? Because this is a half of a circle, right? Part A is half of a circle. So the area of A, part A, will be 3.14 times 2.5 square times half. So the area will be around 9.8125 square meter. So the area, let's say we make only one decimal, it will be 9.8 square meter. And next we will go to part B. And from this picture, we know the area of B is right triangle with the height of h. Let's say we put here as the height with h. So h here will be the same as because this is the right triangle, we can use the Pythagorean formula with this number. So h will be 5 square minus 4 square. So h square will be 25 minus 16, so it will be 9, and So each will be the root of 9. So each will be 3 meters, right? Okay. Now we already find h. So now we can find the area of B. Area of B or part B will be, we know the formula for triangle, that the area is half times the base times the height. Let's say the base here is 4, right? So the base here is 4 and the height is 3. So the area of part B will be half of 4 times the height 3. So it will be half of 12 and we get 6 square meter. Okay, now we already find the area of B. Now we go to area of part C, and from the picture we know that the area of C is a rectangle. So the area of C is the area of rectangle with the length of so this is the length of this rectangle, 2 plus 3, right? 2 plus 3 times the width, it will be 3. So it will be 5 times 3 and we get 15 square meters. Okay, so now every area we already find. So the total area of this shaded picture will be, the total area will be the area of B, A plus B plus C. So we get 9.8 plus B, we get 6, plus C, we get 15, and finally we get 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 9.8, it will be 30.8 square meter. So the total area of this picture is 30.8 square meter. So it's very easy, right, guys? As long as you know the formula of every kind of geometry form, let's say the form of circle and then triangle and then rectangle, so we can easily find the area of something or a picture. Okay.